Hi viewers, welcome to Dr. LK's English class. I have already taught you letter of complaint and letter of placing order. And today I am going to teach letter of inquiry. Today I am going to teach letter of inquiry. As I have already told you, letter of complaint, letter of placing order, letter of inquiry, all these come under formal letters. Letter of complaint, letter of placing order and letter of inquiry all will be given in board exam, either letter of complaint or letter of placing order or letter of inquiry. So viewers, please pay attention to this video, and I would like to clarify. Sometimes you may come across letter of inquiry with spelling INQUIRY, inquiry. My dear viewers, inquiry and inquiry both are interchangeable these days. And inquiry is a formal investigation, and inquiry means to ask questions. So it can be either inquiry or inquiry. Inquiry or inquiry. Hope I am clear. So now listen to my class on letter of inquiry. Now let us learn letter of inquiry. Or coaching or trip or anything. A letter of inquiry is written to get the details which we are interested to know. It can be a course or coaching or trip or anything. Just like the letter of placing order, this letter of inquiry also can be written in 3 paragraphs. Para 1, state the purpose of drafting the letter with brief introduction. And para 2, mention the required details, either coaching, trip, item or anything. And para 3, close the letter requesting for prompt reply along with brochure, itinerary if required. While writing letter of inquiry, do remember this. The first thing, write about yourself and how do you come to know about addresses, institute or company or organization in just 2 or 3 lines. Second point, list the details you wish to know. And the third one, make a request for immediate reply along with the description of the thing that you need. You can use the following phrases or sentences while writing letter of inquiry. I am oblique we are dash of dash. I oblique we came across about dash. And the second one, I wish to. I wish to know about your coaching, or I wish to know about the trip, or I wish to know about the item. The next point is kindly send the following details along with either a brochure or itinerary or catalog, whatever it is. And the last one, I request you to reply as early as possible so that I can send advance amount or I can book the seat, I can reserve the seat, etc. So these points you can use while writing letter of inquiry. The next one is, as I have already told you, the most important thing is the code. This is the code. It begins with letter F. F stands for from address. D stands for date. T stands for to address. S1 stands for subject. S2 stands for salutation. B stands for body. S3 stands for subscription. S4 stands for signature. N stands for name. This is the code. This is very important. You have to remember it. Here is a sample question. The question is, you are Sanjay oblique Sanjana, living at flat 204 Sky Towers, Beach Road, Visakhapatnam. You came across an advertisement about NDA coaching program. Write a letter to the director, Success Academy, Karol Bagh, New Delhi, seeking the details of the course in about 100 to 150 words. This is the question. This is a sample question, and here you can see the solved answer. So it is beginning with from address 204 Sky Towers, Beach Road, Visakhapatnam. And the next one is date. And next one is to address. My dear viewers, you have to leave one line between each and every thing. Like after the from address, you have to leave one line and then you have to write date. After the date, you have to leave another line and you have to write to address. So subject, letter of inquiry, and salutation, dear sir, ma'am. I am Sanjay, studying 12th class in a Kendriya Vidyalaya. I came across about your institute through an advertisement. I wish to join NDA coaching program, for which I would like to know the following details. The details are listed. The first one is duration of the course, second one fee structure and class timings, and third one is transport facility, and if you want hostel facility, that also can be added, and the fourth one is number of students per batch. Kindly send the above details as early as possible along with the browser. And closing, leave taking, subscription, yours sincerely, then signature, and afterwards name. And this will be the model sample answer. And here is one unsolved question for you. You are Vardhani, living at 101 Sai Towers, Post Office Road, Visakhapatnam. Write a letter to the manager, Southern Travels, Meenambakam, Chennai, seeking the details of South Indian tour package. This is an unsolved question for you to solve, and I am sure you will answer it. You should make use of the lockdown period in the best way. Hope you will do this. That's all for today's class. See you in the next. Till then, bye.